With deer season inching closer and closer, I thought it'd be important to run through my full hunting clothing list. I wear Huntworth camo. That is my go-to. I like them because they're a very affordable brand and they have a really wide array of clothing options. We're gonna run through here. I'll show you everything that I got. Now, not everything I have is Huntworth, but most of it is. First off, I got a couple just, t-shirts here. I used to wear these during early season, but I stopped wearing them because of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are just awful. I decided to go with a long sleeve shirt when I switched to Huntworth, just because it's still super light, breathable, but with it being long sleeve, it keeps the bugs off me and I don't get bit by as many mosquitoes as I used to. When it gets colder, I run a Badlands merino base layer. This was a little bit more pricey, okay? This shirt was $50 and the long john pants were $50. So it's a $100 set. So I mean, it's not the worst, but this was a little bit more of an investment. It is merino wool, so it's super lightweight and breathable, but it keeps me very warm, especially on those colder days. And they're loose fitting, which I like. It's not super tight. Like I used to wear a Under Armour base layer and it was just so tight against my skin and it would like grip my chest hair. It's just, I did not like it. I have a pair of Mulsey Oak denim hunting pants. These used to be my main hunting pants, so I switched to Huntworth. Hunting work pants is kind of what I call them. So if I go out and shoot a deer, bring it back to the house, and when I go to, skin it out and debone it, I'll wear these. Moving up in the line in mid layers, this is my Huntworth sweatshirt. This is super cool. It's a kind of a heavier sweatshirt. It's got a pocket on the sleeve right here. Super nice hoodie, $35 for a hoodie. Whereas, if you were to get this like an Under Armour one, you'd be looking at 50, 60, 70 bucks. This guy right here, this is my rifle shotgun hoodie. I believe this was like 40, 50 bucks. I got this because in rifle season, it can be cold and I want to pull my hood up. I want orange when I pull my hood up. So I just bought an orange hoodie. Here's just a zip up jacket I have. This was like $20 at Cabela's when I got it. This right here, super important. This is just a wool sweater. When it gets cold, I'm talking cold, wear this thing. Wool is awesome at wicking sweat and keeping you really, really warm. As far as the lightweight stuff goes, these are my Huntworth lightweight pants. Really, really nice breathable pant. You've got the denim back pockets and the denim knee pads and stuff, which makes it really nice, if you're sitting on the ground or you're on your hands and knees doing spot and stalk stuff. Really nice for the archery season. They're just a nice light breathable pant, and paired with the merino wool that I have, I can run a very lightweight setup and stay warm even when it's 40 degrees out. Moving up in the line, this right here is a Sitka rain jacket. This used to be something I wore all the time until I got into Huntworth. Here's what I have to say about Sitka. Really, really nice stuff, right? But the price is just absolutely absurd. Now, I really don't wear it at all unless I'm hunting in some just really nasty rainy conditions, which isn't too often, but I do have it. It's nice to have. I can give it to someone else to wear if they need it. Now into the real good Huntworth stuff that I wear on a very regular basis. This is the Huntworth vest. Vests really keep my core warm, but they still allow me to have full range of motion, which I really like. So this guy right here, I will just wear over top my hoodie. In archery season, I'll wear my merino, these pants, and a hoodie. And then if it gets a little colder, I'll strap this to my pack, put this guy on, and that'll pretty much get me through the majority of archery season. Then when it starts to get into November and the rut, we pull out this guy. This is my main hunting jacket. I will wear this thing almost year round once it starts to get a little colder. It has the Sherpa fleece inside, super warm Sherpa down the sleeves. It's really, really nice. One thing I like about it is it's got the little pocket back here to put your harness out, so your tether, which is really nice because then it's not coming out back behind my collar and making it like just uncomfortable. It's got super big side pockets, which I'm a huge fan of, and big chest pockets on either side. Now down to my last two items. These are the big heavy items. Right here I have the heavyweight coat. This guy is my gun season coat. Gun season, just sitting there plopped in a blind. It's freezing cold, could be windy. I'm not doing a whole lot of moving around though, so I don't need something that's a little bit more slimmer fitting or that gives me range of motion. So I run with the big heavyweight coat. Again, Sherpa fleece lined on the inside, Sherpa fleece lined hood, which is awesome. It's a detachable hood, so if you don't want the hood, you don't have to run it. It's got huge side pockets right here. The hand pockets down here are a little bit small, so that would be my only complaint about them. But they make up for that with the huge chest pockets that you put your hands in. This jacket runs about $180. So if you were to get this equivalent in Sitka, it would be $500, $600. So for $180, awesome price. These things right here are the same price. These are the heavyweight bibs. Same thing as that coat, Sherpa fleece line and everything. You've got your big side pockets on the side. Just a good solid pair of bibs, 180 bucks. Awesome prices. They run a lot of discounts and sales throughout the year, so keep an eye out for them. I highly recommend it if you're getting into hunting or if you're pretty serious about hunting, but you're not looking to break the bank. Huntworth is definitely an awesome way to go. So that is my 2023 hunting clothing lineup. That's what I wear, everything from 90 degrees in early season to when it's January and it's 0 degrees. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully this maybe filled some gaps if there was something that you were looking for that you never really had. If any of this stuff interests you, click the link in the description. Check them out there. You can check out each and every piece. I highly recommend Huntworth. If you want to, go and check out their website. Hit the link in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.